In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to show or display the search box or search bar on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop's taskbar. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now on the left side, you want to select personalization. And then on the right side, scroll down and select where it says taskbar. And where it says search at the top, click the drop-down field and select search box. Alternatively, you can also select search icon only or search icon and label, whatever your preference may be. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.